Your toy is ready, the product is perfect, the packaging looks fantastic, marketing is up and rolling, and now there is just one thing left: getting it into people's hands on time, without breakage, and without causing you endless stress. And ultimately that comes down to one choice: the fulfillment center that you trust to handle it. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to choose the right toy fulfillment center. Before I forget, my name is Brandon. I'm here on behalf of Fulfillrite, a 3PL that has helped thousands of online sellers ship smarter. There's more information about us down there in the description. Now let's talk about what actually matters when you pick a fulfillment partner for your toy brand. For your convenience, I've just gone ahead and broken this down into 7 questions. 1. Can they handle fragile high-stakes shipments? Toys are not t-shirts. They dent, they scuff, they break, and they bend. So the first question to ask is, do they pack with care? Look for a fulfillment center that uses proper void fill and crush-resistant boxes, that has protocols in place for fragile or high-value SKUs, and that tracks damage and return rates by item. You want real data here, not just vague promises. One damaged toy means a disappointed child, means an angry parent, means a lost customer. So you can't afford to get this wrong. Which brings me to, can they scale during peak season? Toy sales have a way of spiking around the holidays, or influencer shoutouts, or even sudden trends. Your fulfillment center needs to be able to keep up. So ask, how many orders can you process per day during Q4? How do you staff up for seasonal demand? What's your average turnaround time during peak? The best 3PLs plan ahead so that you don't miss deadlines. Which, on the note of deadlines, do they ship fast and accurately? Parents order with fixed deadlines a lot of the time, so you need same-day or next-day fulfillment and 2-day or express shipping options, and less than 1% error rates on pick and pack, as well as on-time delivery tracking so that you can see it in real time. Bonus points if they integrate directly with your e-commerce platform. That'll make everything easier. Of course, while all items need to go out quickly, they don't all need to be treated the same, which brings me to, do they support your specific product types? Not all toys are alike. You want to see if they've handled blind boxes and random assortments, plush with poly bags, custom kits with inserts and multi-item assembly, pre-orders and backer rewards for crowdfunded toys. The point is, find something similar and see if they've done it. If they treat everything like a phone case, that's just a shipping issue that's waiting to happen. Of course, at least some amount of issues are unavoidable. So for that, you're going to need to make sure that you can actually reach a human. Things are going to go wrong. A good 3PL doesn't avoid problems, they actually help you fix them fast. So ask, will I have a dedicated account rep? How fast do you respond to customer support requests? And can I get someone on the phone if I need to? Email-only support and generic ticketing systems might work for inexpensive gadgets, but they don't really work well for toys. Communication is very critical here, and that includes for pricing too. So you should also ask, are their prices transparent? Low base rates are great until the surprise fees show up. You'll want to ask, is kitting included or extra? Do you charge for packing materials? Is storage priced by bin, pallet, or SKU? What happens if the volume spikes? Look for pricing that is both clear and consistent. You want to be able to make sure you understand what you're paying for before you commit to a big relationship, like the one between a brand and their fulfillment center. Now, that brings me to this last critical question. Do they offer real-time inventory and order tracking? You can't fix what you can't see. The right toy fulfillment center should give you live inventory accounts, order status and shipping updates, pre-order allocation tools when you need them, restock alerts before you sell out. And the dashboard that you use should be clean and simple and updated automatically, not something that you're going to have to ask for manually. Bonus tip here is to just ask for toy references if you can. If they've done this before, they will probably have clients in the same space. You'll want to talk to them if you can. The point is, don't be afraid to vet them. It's your brand on the line, and choosing a toy fulfillment center isn't just about location and price. It's about reliability, flexibility, and trust. Because the only thing that's worse than shipping delays is having to clean up after the fact. If you're ready to choose a fulfillment partner that gets toys right, we've got more videos that can help you along this journey. Here are 4 in particular that I recommend next. What is a 3PL? Third-party logistics explained simply and clearly. That's just a good primer. Can order fulfillment save you money? How to find the right order fulfillment company? And toy manufacturing explained. I think any combination of those videos will give you some helpful context. But that said, if you like this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Don't forget to slap some postage on that bell so that we can express ship videos to you as soon as they're ready. And if you've got any questions, ask below and we'll answer as many as we can. Thanks for watching.